Hey everyone, back tuning into today's video. It's a weekend forecast today, having a detailed look at the weather. Next 7 days across the British Isles, weather is in an unsettled phase at the moment. It's been unsettled really since the start of May, and it's going to be staying that way through the course of the coming week. Now, I have got some uncertainty for the end of the week and towards the bank holiday weekend. There's just signs on some of the models that high pressure may try and bridge in from the Atlantic, and it could start settling things down a little bit down in south-southwest, but it is very uncertain at this stage quite what's happening at the end of the week and into the bank holiday weekend. Overall, it is an unsettled week coming up. Now, we're going to get on with weekend forecast. Just say about the hours. Just link to articles on the pages at gasservice.com. Have a browse of which it's any articles that you're interested in. Please click through. You can cover read those articles. Thanks very much for doing that. It's also the ads the most page. Say open up in the content. Give them a watch if I close back up again. Thanks so much for getting involved. Thanks for doing that. There's the websites that we're using for the weekend forecast go from the weatheroutlook.com and westcent.d. You can find a link to both those websites on the links page. So here we are with the radar picture for today, and we can see that we've got showers in the north, so quite a few showers across Scotland. Some of them are quite heavy as well, and they come down into Northern Ireland. Notice it's mostly dry for England and Wales. Now, here is the jet stream. This is what jet stream's doing today. It's coming in across the UK. Quite vibrant colours there, so it's a strong jet. It's further south than you would expect through the middle of May as well, so that's the reason it's quite cool and unsettled at the moment. Here's today's Arctic pressure chart. We've got low pressure around Iceland and high pressure down to the southwest. So I have further showers being fed in on these strong westerly winds across Scotland, and some of them coming down to Northern Ireland. A few going through to northwest parts of England, but most of England and Wales will actually be dry through today. There's quite a lot of cloud being brought in with these northwesterly winds though. So the best of sunshine will be down in the south and southeast, but generally fair amount of cloud, especially in the north and the northwest. Temperatures today on the cool side in the north, just 12 or 13 degrees at best. In the south, we could get up to around 16, that's 61. But really disappointing temperatures, to be honest, for the middle of May. Going through to tonight, high pressure will be reaching close to the southwest, so that could just settle things down a little bit across England and Wales. With winds falling light, skies clearing, it will get quite chill. I'm not sure it'll get quite cold enough for a ground frost. But with temperatures going down to 3 or 4 degrees, it'll be a close run thing, I would imagine, in some rural locations. No problems with temperatures further north, because we've got these tightly packed ice bars. So for Scotland, Northern England, temperatures hold at night, but we'll keep showers going across Scotland through the course of the night. Now we go through to Sunday, and the next area of low pressure will be moving in off the Atlantic Ocean. That'll be coming into the north and west. So we'll start off with showers across Scotland, but they'll merge into longer spells of rain. And those spells of persistent rain will spread across Scotland in towards Northern Ireland, perhaps the far northwest of England, say around Cumbria by the end of Sunday afternoon. Further south, we'll keep a lot of dry weather. There'll be a fairly bright start with sunny spells in the morning. It'll probably turn cloudier through the course of the afternoon. Temperatures up to around 15 or 16 degrees in the south, but in the north we're going to do well to get into double figures, I think, with this cloud and rain arriving 10 or 11 is probably the best we can expect for large parts of Scotland tomorrow. That rain is going to spread southeast across the country on Sunday night into Monday morning, and it may well get stuck across parts of England and Wales through Monday itself. So I think we could start off with a very wet start across England and Wales on Monday morning. That rain will only very gradually clear away to the east. So for parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia, South East England, that rain could linger on well into the afternoon. It may be well on into the day before we finally get rid of it from the southeast. Eventually, sunshine and showers is spreading down from the north and the west. Some of those showers will be heavy in themselves, so with risk of hail and thunder for parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. Temperatures in the persistent range, just 9 or 10 degrees. Otherwise, we could scrape up to around 14 or 15 in the best of the sunshine. But overall, these are very, very disappointing temperatures for the time of year. Low pressure is dominating through into Tuesday, so we expect further heavy showers across many parts of the country, but persistent rain will clear away by the end of Monday evening, at the latest in the southeast. But we'll probably start off with a dry start on Tuesday, but cloud is going to very quickly bubble up, big clouds building up through the course of the morning very rapidly, giving lots of heavy showers by Tuesday afternoon. Some of the showers will have hail and thunder with him, and in the north of the east, with light winds, the showers could merge into longer spells of rain. Temperatures, if you get lucky and miss all the showers and have a fairly sunny day, temperatures could be up to around 16 degrees at 61 Fahrenheit, but overall we're going to see really depressed temperatures again on Tuesday with those heavy showers, just 13, 14 at best. As we move through into Wednesday, it's still an unsettled day, but the Azores High is trying to throw some sort of ridge into the west, so western parts probably get fewer showers on Wednesday, although it is quite uncertain. For northern eastern parts of the country, further showers seem likely. Some of them will be heavy again, with risk of hail and thunder. Temperatures on Wednesday may be up a degree or two, so perhaps up to 17 degrees in the southwest, but in the north and the east with the showers still significantly cooler than average. Now, a lot of uncertainty as we go through to Thursday and Friday. This high pressure is trying to ridge up from the Azores, but at the same time, low pressure is developing to the north of Scotland. So a bit of a battle taking place, actually, to see which of these systems has the ascendancy. I think first we'll probably start off with a lot of dry weather. For England and Wales, it'll probably stay mainly dry, but for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, I would suspect we'll have some more outbreaks of quite heavy rain and strong winds spreading down from the northwest. Temperatures in the south could be up to around 18 degrees in the best of sunshine. In the north, though, with the cloud and the rain, just 12 or 13 at best. And then as we move through into Friday, this is changing from run to run now, the weather for Friday and going into the bank holiday weekend. And by the way, I'll be having a detailed look at the bank holiday weekend on the events page this evening, or as detailed as we can get, because it is an ever-changing situation. This is what the latest one of the GFS wants to do on Friday. It has low pressure to the north of Scotland, and we bring down these northerly winds. That's probably taking a band of cloud and rain across England and Wales, perhaps turning increasingly light and patchy, with sunshine and showers following on behind. But I have to emphasise a lot of uncertainty for Friday, and that uncertainty just continues really into the bank holiday weekend. The latest idea from the 6 o'clock run of the GFS is to bring down these northerly winds for Saturday, albeit with pressure trying to build from the Atlantic. But how seriously we can take that, I'm not sure. Finally, have a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook, just so that you can see the weather in your area over the coming week. And here we go for today. With the rain up in the north and west, the best of the driest conditions will be in the south-southeast. Rather a lot of cloud. More rain in the north and west through the course of Sunday, with the driest weather in the south and the southeast. As we go through to Monday, outbreaks of heavy rain will be across England and Wales through the course of the day, getting rather stuck across the south and the southeast. Lingering on for much of the day. Sunshine and showers following to the northwest. Lots of heavy showers on Tuesday, some of them heavy with risk of hail and thunder. And showers continue, particularly in the north and the east on Wednesday. Turns a little bit drier in the west. And then through Thursday and Friday, lots of uncertainty, but still looks unsettled really, with showers particularly likely in the northwest, where they could merge into longer spells of rain. As I say, I'll be having a look at the bank holiday weekend on the events page this evening, so come back to that. But in summary, it's going to be an unsettled week with further showers and longer spells of rain, and temperatures very, very cool for the time of year as well. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.